Hey, what's up, Ankr coin holder? In this time, Ankr is completely on the trending, and pupils are starting investing more and more in Ankr. And the one reason is that, my brothers, to people are trust on Ankr, and this is the, my friends, clear to especially invest people are for a long time. And absolutely, if a holder are starting investing for a long time in any coin, my brother, so they will move in upward direction, and definitely there is no chance so they will face down like that. It's a very massive pumps, my brother, occurred now from last 7 days. Definitely no coin jumps, my friend, from like that. And definitely you can see here they will moving in same condition. You can see here they cannot fails down, they will moving in upward direction. So that's clear, my brothers, to after a long time, my brothers, they will take a short jump, and absolutely after a short jump, my friend, they will again dumps down, but after that they will again pumps up. So that's mean, my brothers, this is one of the stable coin. If someone, my brothers, take a risk, so this is only I think you need, my brothers, to invest now in Ankr coin. I hope, my brothers, they will give you a profit. Remember, my brothers, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, and I love, my brother, Ankr coin because I am also holder of Ankr coin. I hope in upcoming time the price will be increasing if you hold it now. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and absolutely if you hold, so I hope in upcoming time the price will be increasing now, and they will give you a profits now. So please, my brothers, before you take any decision, please research personally, and after that take a decision. Allah Hafiz, take care, Ankr coin holder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like video and subscribe this channel.